Hey, I'm Susan Fouche. Welcome to my channel, Voices for Learning, where I help Fiverr sellers like you reach their first six figures on Fiverr. And here I am in my bat cave in my recording studio. I do a lot of voiceovers on Fiverr, and I thought I would do something different in this video today. Usually my videos are about the 6 steps to 6 figures on Fiverr, but really a big part of those 6 steps is having a mindset of abundance, having a confidence to go out and set goals, meet your goals. So I thought I would give you the gift of a meditation because I get hired to record lots and lots and lots of meditations, especially on Fiverr. So here's just a meditation that I put together to help you meet your goals, set your goals, walk through your freelancing business with confidence, with an abundance mindset, and with the hope that this will help you align yourself with where you need to get to in your financial goals. So you can listen to this meditation while you're walking, while you're sitting, while you're laying down, while you're driving. I'm not going to play any music with this. I'm not going to mix it together with anything. It's just going to be my voice, and just relax while you're listening. Just watch out for your breathing. Make sure you're breathing through your nose, out your mouth, and really just focus on my voice. Just listen to my voice. I've got the video going. You'll be able to see me. And really just focus on yourself and that abundance mindset. I am a person who is capable of attracting and earning money abundance. I see opportunities everywhere to earn money. I act upon these opportunities with a calm confidence. I am open to receiving different amounts of money. I welcome large amounts of money, but the smaller amounts of money are also welcome to join my everyday life. I am a real magnet for money. I have the power to attract money every day. I am grateful for all money amounts that I've attracted and manifested. But I'm also grateful for the money that I'm going to attract in the future. I am worthy of money abundance, and I deserve all the money that I've attracted already. I deserve all money I am going to attract in the future. From the next hour, to the next year, to the next decade, and even after my life on earth is done. I'm already experiencing different abundances. An abundance of love, an abundance of health, an abundance of great friends, an abundance of knowledge, and an abundance of beautiful family. That means that I am ready to experience an abundance of money too. I am ready to experience financial abundance and financial freedom. I am responsible when it comes to money because I use my money to improve my life and the life of others. I use my money to attract even more money for the best interests of my family and the world. I am completely aligned with the energy that money brings to my life. I am wonderfully grateful for everything that I have. Thank you so much. Life is truly the greatest gift. So thank you so much for listening, and I wish you the best in meeting your goals as a freelancer. in walking through your freelancer business with a calm confidence, to attract new clients, to retain all your existing ones, and most importantly, to serve and care for others. Take care.